Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, The EM Trader. So now we can see how yesterday and tomorrow will works in Dow. Okay, Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. Okay, we can see that I have told you from here only it will take support. It taken first candle only, it taken support. You can see that how nicely rallied within 45 minutes. It reaches our two target. Okay, then it slowly comes down. Then you can see that however this is crossed, you have to buy up till here also, but you can see that here is some reversal is coming, so you have to book your position fast. Okay, now it consolidate and close. Okay, what happened yesterday also, you can see that it continuously taking a resistance, okay, from here only, and then continuously consolidate, then one breakout comes. Okay, this is the one of the trend line what we have seen. Okay, if you have traded, so okay, this is the, whenever this is crossed and taken a support here, you have to buy. Okay, this is crossed and up till here also, you can see that seller is still more dominated now. Okay, now we can see in Nasdaq 100 index. Okay, you can see that here only I have told you it taken resistance, it continuously taking resistance and going, bias is taking it up, but seller is not taking it somewhere else, because buyer is not so much dominated, so seller is taking downside and continuously you can see that here it taking continuously resistance. What happened, it once again it, you have to buy here. Okay, you have buy here P somewhere, your SL will be here, and you can see that you can book here also or here also. Okay, then it continuously consolidate. From yesterday you can see that I have told you, yesterday I have not been there, so I have not made video. You can see that what happened, open, then it continuously consolidate, come down once again. Here buyer is activated because this is green candle, very bullish candle, so here buyer is activated, and then slowly buyers taken it upside. Okay, now we can see in SPX, you can see in XPX what happened. We have seen that I have told you it taken a support. Okay, it taken support, but what happened, it doesn't cross this line. If this crossed this resistance, then you can go for my what we have discussed in upside target, you have gone for that. But what happened, it continuously consolidate, then break downside, then continuously taking resistance, then once again it open a supporting area, it taken support once again, but seller is dominated. Then option selling is the whole concept in 2 days. Okay, these 2 days whole option selling is happen. Okay, now in, we can see in BKX, you can see that I have told you from here you can go for a bigger target also. You can see that bullish candle, then gone, then it comes and taken here only support. You can see that taken support, but you can see that how much nicely seller is dominated, so seller once again come, taken it down and continuously consolidate and close. This is the option selling day. Okay, this is also, you can see that open here, it taking a supporting area. I can just shift this line. Okay, continuously taking support and close. These 2 days whole big players has been sold the C and P out of the money, so they can get maximum profit. Okay, now in HGX, you can see that I have told you from here only you can got a target. You can see that first target, second target, two target is reached. Then what happens, seller come and taken it downside, then it continuously consolidate and close. What happened, it come down, taken here only support. Okay, it continuously going upside, then one pullback come. Okay, then it continuously taken a rally. Okay, now we can see in AUX. Okay, I can just shift this line. Okay, this is supporting area. Okay, I will, what we have discussed, if it will break these two. Okay, it breaks, it taken a pullback, you have to buy here. Okay, here is your first target, but your one SL will be hitted. Okay, if you have seen, so if you have seen here only, you can see that it is coming down in this only, so you have to exit from here only. Okay, if you have hitted one SL, don't worry, you have got here, you can see that it taken resistance from here, you can take in here somewhere or here. So you have got very nice risk to reward ratio here. Okay, now here we can see that it open a gap down, taken a support. You can see that here you have to buy, your SL will be here, this red candle, and you can see that how nicely it rallies. 1:4 or 1:5 your target is hit, and also it taken a resistance from our this area only. So what you can see that double top is also there. If however this is break, you have to buy. Okay, this is your first target because this is the previous thing. So continuously consolidate, then also break downside. Okay, you have to got two targets in that. Okay, you can see that what happened on yesterday in SOX. Okay, semiconductor index, you can see that it taken a resistance from here only. Okay, it taken a you can see that here it is coming down, you have to buy somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here at least, and your SL will be here. You can see that how nicely your first target is hit it, then once again it taken a pullback, then continuously coming down, and then consolidate, then buyer is dominated here. Now yesterday what happened, it opened flat. Okay, it continues to consolidate and closed at a sideways market. Okay, okay, Russell 3000, you can see that what happened. Russell 3000, it opened here only, it taken support, gone and first target is hit it, then it come and taken a resistance from here, it breaks, then it taken resistance. You can see that I will just shift this support and resistance area. Okay, so you can see that what happened, first time it taken resistance, then once again it is buyer dominated, then come down, once again sellers, then continuously small candle is making and buyers is dominated. Now it is acting as a supporting area. Okay, now we can see for today how you can trade for today. Okay, okay, now we can see that. Okay, you can see that. Okay, this is act as your supporting area. Okay, this is break, you have got very nice risk to reward, and you can see that this is act as a supporting area. Okay, I will just make this. Okay, if it taken a supporting area, your first target, second target, and third target, this is the three target what you have can achieve. If it taken a resistance from here, your first target, second target, third target, these three target you can achieve, or else you can go for more downside also. This is your target, these. Okay, you can see my previous videos also, you can get it. Okay, in Nasdaq what we have seen, this act as a resistance what we have discussed. Okay, it will act as a resistance only. Okay, now we can make, okay, this is act as a one of the supporting areas also. Okay, now we can once again, okay, here if it take resistance from here, your first target, second target, and your third target, these all three target you can achieve in upside. Just I will shift this line, you can get this target will be done if it comes and taken a break this resistance area and taken support, then your first target and second target in upside. Okay, in SPX you can see that in SPX what happened here is continuously it is acting as a resistance. Okay, so what we can see is that, okay, here, one second. Okay, okay, we can see that this target is pending, so we hope that SPX will reach this target today only. If it take nicely support here, so we can go for this, or else it will take another resistance and come. So this is your target in downside. Okay, now in BKX, okay, in BKX you can see that how nicely it is taking a supporting support. Okay, I will just draw this, one second, it is got wrong. Okay, now we can see that. Oh, this. Okay. Now we can see. Okay, now we can see that taken first target, second target, and your third target. These are the three targets you can go for. Okay, in downside also we can see that it will act as resistance, so you can go for first target, second target. This is your three target. Okay, in downside. In HGX, okay guys, in HGX also you have got so many nice trend what we have seen. Okay, it act as a resistance, so we will just draw this line as a resistance. Okay, if it will take a resistance from here. Okay. mm, okay, your first target will be this, second target, third target, fourth target. These four target you can got. Okay, we are not taking any downside. We also expect from upside. If we take resistance supporting area from here, you can go for this three target. Okay guys, AUX, now you can see that AUX, nothing is there to tell you about it. Okay, this is the support and resistance area. However, you can see that it taken support here. You can go and achieve one second. You can, if it opens once again here, you can go and achieve your first target will be here, second target, third target, and fourth target. Okay, these four target you can achieve. If it will come down, taken a resistance, then you can go for these target. Okay, up till here. Okay, now we can see in SOX. Okay guys, SOX, this is very important level what we have been seeing. Okay guys, something is pending, and also one trend line is what I am seeing here is, you can see that this is acting as a trend line. Okay guys, here is triangle pattern is making, sorry. Okay, now you can see that how nicely it's making a triangle pattern. It will break, so you can got your those target also up till, one second guys, from here, from here to here. Okay guys, if it break downside, so you can got first time, first target shaken. Okay, you got this all target. Okay, now we can see in Russell 3000. Okay, in Russell 3000 you can see that it taking a continuously resistance. If it will act, so we can go for this three target. Okay, in downside also we can expect this target. Okay guys, this target. Okay, uh, this all, if you seen that, so you can trade in Tesla also. I will tell you some points. I have told you this is act as a supporting. You can see that it act as supporting, gone up and continuously consolidating. Okay, now we can see in Tesla also what it is making is that, once again, one trend line is, you can see that here is one trend line. Okay guys, and from here also it's making one of the trend line. If it will breaks upside, okay, this is your first target, second target, and third target. You can continue. If it will inflow, it will breaks upside and downside also. If it will achieve from here, or reversal will come, or it will act as resistance, you can go for first target and second target, third target. Okay guys, hope you like my video. Please, if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel, Okay guys, if you like my or subscribe my channel, it will motivate me to make like these videos. And I also made some informative videos also. I have also posted you support and resistance and trend lines, how works it will well. Okay, if you work for 3 to 4 years, I will surely tell you, you can become a financial freedom also, and you got a very nice skills in stock market. You can easily become a small investor also, or some small investment company also you can open. Okay, you have got a very nice uh, technique also, how you have to invest or do trading in index or in stocks also. Okay, uh, that's all. Uh, that's all. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.